commercial, watch it by
And TikTok? Yeah, the big ones is okay. Just want this one.
Merry Christmas. My bicycle needs to fix. I need to start riding 8 miles. Look at that. This is the Phonics.
I can't whip it.
Is why it should have been bigger. I hear you. Where was that?
I don't know if it's the noodles list.
Outfit check. Calculating it wrong. I thought it would be $6. Hey people, welcome to the channel. This is a girl Chavanese, aka Niecey, and welcome to a new video vlog, y'all. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. When you see this, Christmas gonna be long and gone. I hope y'all Christmas was good. No, I can't see. I post me, I said I'll give you. I will bring that nice gift here. But
Oh, that's mine too.
I'll nice up myself so I could look presentable. My hair wanna wash and everything, but
Hey, yo, that's mine.
I don't know who is this. I don't know who dropped it off.
Maybe it's mine.
It said to Shavana.
Oh.
Merry Christmas. Oh, to Chavanese. Hold up.
Wait.
Hold up. Who give me something now?
You?
That look like Kev writing. How dare him? How dare him do this shit?
How?
Ready to open this one. Gotta get her something to learn. This is the Phonics.
I can't whip it.
You like it?
Ooh. But what's bigger?
Is why it should have been bigger?
Should it be the same size like it's supposed to be?
See, when you build it up, it's gonna be big.
Oh, never mind.
This is the dollhouse.
Oh, so this one is the same size, I think.
That's the different one. Do you like it, baby?
Yeah. But this one is like 5.
Battery's dying. But I cleaned up the kitchen and all of that. Now it's time to cook up my food. I'm gonna be doing this rice. I'm gonna make yellow rice from scratch, but who have those times? Not me. You don't know what I didn't buy from the store. The girl was rushing me at the damn dollar store. I should have bought the pan them to put the food in when I cook it. But I know some stores still open anyway. I'm gonna cook the whole pack of this. I'm gonna do the rice, and I'm gonna do the shrimp and the noodle. Then I'm gonna start on the salmon in that order. And this rice already seasoned, so the only thing I'm gonna put in there is butter.
Yeah, I always do that.
Alright, let's squeeze that out and then take them out. Alright, so we could throw that away. Just want to get rid of the trash.
I forgot strain it.
Gonna make in what?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over facts.
Waffle! Sorry.
At the back, it says.
You want egg with it?
Yeah.
You're out.
You're out?
It says I turned bowling.
We're here playing trivia, y'all.
Yeah, you're out.
Like in baseball, you're out.
So what they call it? Turkey?
Turkey. Yeah. That's weird. Never heard of
Professional.
that. Yeah, they would know that. U.S. state is the only state to grow coffee beans. You should know this, Tasha.
Me state is U.S.
U.S.
Georgia?
state, you've been there.
Oh.
Oh, Alaska.
Alaska grow coffee. Hawaii.
Hawaii.
They grow all coffee beans?
Which U.S. state is the only state to grow coffee beans?
Oh, I didn't know that.
What is the largest ocean on Earth?
Pacific.
Pacific.
The Pacific.
What birds cannot move their eyeballs?
What?
What owl sits on a tree that doesn't move their eyes?
The owls?
I never know they have a different name.
They just
now.
move their head.
Oh, yeah.
They don't move
They
their
don't move their
eyes. No.
But I thought it was just owl.
Yeah, owl.
But they have a specific. No, you just said owl already.
Which bird cannot move their eyeballs?
Owl?
Owls. Yeah. These questions are weird. Last one. Which civilization built the Machu Picchu?
Inca.
Aztec.
She said it.
Inca.
Yeah.
Inca.
Right? I didn't finish.
Today here. No, they don't know y'all are today. That's Michaela, my daughter. Yeah? Oh, you want me to fix your clothes?
Baby.
You know what? We could start eating because when we come pray, I'm hungry. We're gonna start eating, y'all. Okay, I'm hungry. Well,
What's your heart, Bernice?
in my height. Ooh, did you show Tudy a nice outfit?
Today, go call Jay.
Okay, so when you do that, oh, yeah, I gotta eat the food. I said, why y'all say no one give the people and you're not the kid?
Bro, facts, bro.
Get
Get him a slice and that's it.
That's it. Let me forget make more. And everything run out of the store. All the fruits them gone. I'm like, You got for this, you gotta buy it from
Months?
October. September at least.
Lord, I didn't y'all show. Did I show y'all the food them? I didn't show the food. Hold on. Oh.
YouTuber there.
What's going on? What are you looking at?
What's going on? Yeah, it was all over the place. Not me buying these shots. I think it's like, oh, it's strawberry cream. This must taste good. It's the right one, maybe it's not the right cover.
I just saw it in there and just picked it up. It's not the right one.
Why you never take this big one? This one's...
Come in on how the people need to eat. Is that not the right cover? No.
Maybe I the right cover, I think.
So why not close?
Maybe just not close. I don't know. Oh, maybe we got too much food in.
No,
See,
I
there
don't.
it is. It's close.
No, it's not.
No, too much food. What are you gonna? Oh, boy, they devour the food, yeah. This is my little fake curry goat right here. Look.
Emphasize on fake.
Emphasize on the fake. It's very chunks. It's the little damn
It's so hot in
fake
here, isn't it?
stuff.
You gonna get her right now?
Oh, let me give it. Let me give it your food. Let me show y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna share your food. You want broccoli with it, baby?
No broccoli?
No broccoli? My God, Georgia next.
I'll be coming.
I'll be in Georgia by April or May.
I'll be there.
I'm trying to make a trip to go to Universal next year. I gotta go to
I say I'm gonna fill out applications for a flight attendant job.
What is wrong with you, bro?
I don't know.
I feel pregnant. Just fat. Not fat. I've been working out since I've been here. I've been to the gym. Today's the only day I ain't been to the gym since I've been here.
Yeah, I need to go to the gym.
You think, David, this is muscle. Straight muscle. See my quad muscle? Straight muscle. Just this. Because I got SIBO. So this is just what this is. Just
You know what you remind me of?
What?
This girl.
I'm gonna feel drunk. I need some water. I don't like this.
This is Instagram. You know when people look weird, I always try to dig and look. I'm like, what's wrong with her? Why'd she look like this? She look like somebody that have a messed up body done. But she have, I think she have lupus. So her body look like she got a fake hip, but because it normally people who have that, they have like the fat foot. But you should work out so much, you got so much muscle, but it's like the muscle still can't reach the disorder to make it firm. So she just look weird.
I need some cider to take home. Where's my cider though?
So y'all, big accident out here.
I'm starting to watch your shit, boy.
Hold on.
I didn't watch your shit by accident.
Giving us stuff.
No, that's
So she giving me something? Yeah, this is for Cece.
Baby, I'm ready to go. I got a headache. I think it's all this cake I ate.
That's cute. That's one of those relaxing. Oh, the spray to make you go sleep.
We're gonna figure it out.
no, I never met her.
Go to sleep, please. What is this, child? Oh, this is for me. That's so nice. That's for me?
Yes, that's for you.
Oh my God, you too much.
Yes. You're the first person that gave me a gift before Christmas. Yeah, that's what last time she was last
Show
time.
y'all my gift. Oh, I'm gonna be copyright with these damn music.
I got it.
You know, it's the chill outfit. But the slippers make it look a little better.
The slippers do not go with that.
Shush, it does.
No, it's color against stripe. No.
No, I like color.
I like the color, but you could have chosen a bold color like a red.
No.
Or you know,
All my shoes are Miss Color.
that's
Alright, y'all, we're gonna be playing a game. Cece says she wanna go first. Cece, you wanna go first?
Alright, ready to go?
Come on, baby.
You gotta do it, babe.
What?
You got the whole table?
Yeah, put it somewhere else.
Yeah. You gotta get the whole act of the table.
Hold on, let me put it over here. Alright, over here.
Is this my water? I think it's my water.
You on that side, Cece. Not over here.
Bye, Mom. Give me a hug. I'm finna go.
Wait.
I'll see you Saturday. I love you.
Hold on, we're doing a game.
My bad. Excuse me more.
Oh, wait! Oh my God.
Oh my God.
You lose, Cece.
Cece, you gotta wait, baby.
Give me some of this. Give me a hug.
Mikey, come to this game before you go.
What is it?
Hold on. You gotta say Merry Christmas.
And
blue.
Cece, you were too close. Can you blow out all the
Oh,
things?
shoot.
Big ass face.
I see that right there. I see that. Did we even get the holiday thing? Hold on,
Let me pour some more paper towel.
My quads hurt, but here we go.
I don't even know you word this thing.
Hold on,
Cece, you was too close, and you don't wait till we say ready.
There you go.
She ain't doing it over. My kid.
You gonna do it over? No.
Alright, what I gotta do?
But she didn't wait. You gotta stay away
I gotta say Merry Christmas and blow.
and blow,
Yeah.
but you gotta stay.
Is it
far.
Merry Christmas? Or is
You
it?
only give me one piece of
What is it? Is it Merry Christmas and then blow?
it go
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
And then blow?
Yeah.
Yes.
So Merry Christmas then blow.
Yeah.
This far?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
You ready?
Go ahead, go home.
Alright. From here?
Yeah, go.
Merry Christmas!
Got you! That's not it! You did it! No! You supposed to say,
Bro, in the military, I'm trying to hold your breath in a gas chamber, so it's just like...
no, you're supposed to say, Christmas.
Man, y'all should have said that!
Yeah, but... What's the lighter?
Close eyes, good night, Charlie. I was slowing. I'm moving over all my...
So you must blow wine and say Merry
Yes.
Give me my bag to the
That's
people.
alright, because anybody can blow hard.
Yeah.
And a gift on there.
That's why it makes it the game even more better.
Yeah.
Why are you telling me excuse me?
Why they have to be sent to
I'm
sleep?
around the fire. Don't play with the fire. I could just see something catching on fire real quick. A weave, a jacket, something.
I know, right?
A toy.
A toy.
She said a toy.
I said I could just see something catching on fire. A weave, a jacket. She said a toy.
No, I got the choke. No, I got the choke.
Yeah, she said a toy.
I really got it.
The candy.
So I said, Merry Christmas. Right?
Even your hair covered and you
Exactly.
So, that ain't
Ready?
gonna work.
You gotta, yo.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Let's change the music.
You want that music on a copyright my thing.
Go ahead.
So what I said?
Four. You got four.
Shut up. You come say Merry Christmas and try to blow.
Okay.
You come.
Okay.
Oh, be careful. Okay, what in the body?
All in the camera. Here.
Why you moving my shit? Wait, this is the Musketeer. Oh Lord, no, it is Milky Way, right? No, Musketeer. Oh, what the hell?
Okay. Double bubble. And you already know. Three Musketeer. You already know what's left.
Game, y'all. We try to.
Yeah, just make sure y'all put one up under
Hold on, let me push this back here.
Cece, come get your, put this over there in that chair. Make sure she don't lose all her toys. Cece, put all your toys. Cece, put all of these. You remember that? You know the gift bag I just. No, Chef. Put them in the gift bag I just brought her so she could have all her toys together. Cause then she's gonna be like, Mom, I can't find my stuff.
Push this thing.
Here, these little. Come here, Cece. Put all your stuff in there. So you can find your stuff.
Yeah, like this, you gotta try around there. Around there it's very hot.
Yeah, you don't want to keep loosening up now. See, look, one little piece right there. See, look, the little ones over there. You need all of them for the set.
They were playing Monk the
set.
Little candles.
I know. So that's what I'm gonna tell you.
You want to put it on the stairs?
Doesn't get breath.
saw that a while ago.
And TikTok? Yeah.
The big ones is okay.
The games are from
You
TikTok.
just want the small ones because if she lose them, then she's like, Mom, I can't find my stuff.
I was gonna put it on the stairs out the way.
Yeah, actually put it out the way because somebody might.
Mom, make Cece video it. Cece know the video.
She not a video for real?
Yeah.
I really don't want to be disappointed.
Cece, you wanna do the video?
Give her your phone.
I could give her mine.
Give her your
Here,
phone.
baby.
It can't
Here,
both
baby.
angles.
Here.
At least with this.
Make the video. Go over there and video us.
Okay,
You press it and try to get all of us.
trying to get everybody. See, I can't even get everybody in that bitch.
Yeah. On
turn it to the side? Maybe you'll be
mark.
Get six. Stand up. Supposed to take out the slippers. Put your slippers out the way. Give me the slippers.
The bottle has water in it. Yeah, it needs to have water in it.
Use the alcohol bottle.
Use this.
She fine.
Oh yeah.
You start, baby?
Yeah. So she started.
Yes. Go, mommy.
Ready, set, go.
Don't worry, she should be able to put your panties on. Look. Go.
Stand up. Put it.
Somebody has to take a look.
I don't know how to get it from here. I couldn't get any higher. Oh my god. I'm tired.
Ooh, that was a workout.
Yes. Underwear.
That was a workout. Chef won.
See, you want to do it?
You do it fast.
Yeah. I use my left hand.
Tens.
Shoulders, head, knees, back, shoulders, head, knees, shoulders, cut.
Look at this shit.
What?
Wow. This girl picking her damn eye. Listen, my hair wanna wash. I don't know if I'm gonna wash it tomorrow. But this is me at work tomorrow with this headband. Anywhere I go, it gotta go because right here, God, it's like a farm. Could we sell Andrew? They must have a research. They trying to study shit.
Stupid. You stupid.
No, for real, it's so thick in my hair.
No, listen, I can find a remedy for you. Apple cider vinegar.
No, it's just that I waited too long to wash it. It was okay. But they want that damn hairstyle to stay in.
Yeah, that one was cute.
Okay, you know, I went to a dermatologist. They were like, oh, I need to watch it every 3 days. I was like, to this lady.
Because your hair might be producing that much.
It is, but I'm not white. What the hell I'm washing my hair? This is dreadlocks, please.
Well, you can use dry shampoo. You know that, right?
Yeah, I wasn't thinking about that.
Yeah, that's what dry shampoo is for. So you don't have to keep wetting your hair and having it heavy.
Yeah, I need to, I gotta wash
You
it
could
though.
come up with your own natural dry shampoo.
I gotta wash it. I'm so tired, y'all. I work tomorrow. But listen, I hope y'all enjoyed the video vlog. Like, share, and subscribe. And I see y'all next year, I think. No, I see y'all. You know what? I'll see y'all again. We're going out for dinner one of these nights. Bye. Because we being so freaking nosy. I know they were cussing when I see they stop right there. Bunch of black people gathering in. Oh shit. Beat her up, girl. Why are we here watching the video? Oh shit. Shut up, please. We're being nosy about the game. Open it. Shit, we don't speak Creole. We don't know shit. You put on the damn glasses, it's telling you what they're saying.
Yeah, me see one woman in a one glass, and then the language they speak Jounery.
Oh.
Yeah, they have the glasses there.
So full feet.
You what? Remember you didn't have that cat and you mash it up. Pretty.
All this fucking water baggy.
Oh, y'all like the outfit. I was gonna change my bag. I'm like, hell to the no. Mommy, we're ready. But it's pink bag, brown shoes, and this. Hold on, y'all see it? Gotta go. I need to seriously stop back my workout because since I work at a hospital, I gained 20 pounds.
That yellow thing is a button, and you put water, and it settles.
Hold on, let's see. Look at CC outfit, y'all. Look at her.
Oh, just put this soon, please.
Alright, hot girl.
Oh!
Yeah, look at me. My son will go on the scale. 100, 101. 200. Let's get it correct. 200.
200 million.
Kevin,
Yeah. Yeah, we have them. 201.
Today's today.
201.
Oh, gee.
I gotta do better. Don't worry. My bicycle needs to fix. I need to start riding 8 miles. Look at this. The split is showing ties now. God. It's not the drama at work.
Zip down this soon.
Oh my God.
Mr. May I sleep?
Take away Island. Hello. You wouldn't know what happened. Oh my, shut up. I couldn't, the line cancel. I was gonna tell you I got stuck at work, but Larry and Moat.
What I mean?
Michaela, I'm going to the restaurant now. I was just trying to tell you I lied, but I couldn't. Because I got an emergency. I could say something about a patient and I got stuck.
What the hell is wrong with you?
Not when reach before the crew.
What's Mama?
They are late. I don't know where she at.
And where's Kevin?
Wait. Daddy called Kevin. He wants a cup in the head.
That's her real name.
Oh yeah, that's his real name, but not for you to be calling him that.
Sometimes we call him Daddy, sometimes
Rain.
Dad. And these two are getting married.
Who? The crabs?
Yes. That one is having
Mr. and Mrs. Crab. See that?
Mr. and Mr. Krabby.
Uh-oh. I told you I was like right there.
Okay.
Good night. I make sure Google someplace.
Where's Tootie?
Maki said she come in. Kevin, it's okay, sir. Thank you, someone. Kevin in the car. The man said if we want to sit on. I said, I gotta sit on then.
They come on. Yeah, but we don't sit down. You wear your heels, my friend.
Perfect. I look at them on private room.
You're too far from them. You're too far from them. You should be good.
Water, that?
Yeah.
Oh, no water looks so special.
So fancy.
Fancy water.
Fancy water. We went to the far place today and them charge. I said, they bring the water. So I said, can I have some lime please? They bring the lime and everything. You know, so them charge me for the lime.
I hear you. Where was that?
I don't know if it's far. You know the noodles place, so it's a Vietnamese restaurant. So
The one by the Promenade or the restaurant?
Promenade? No.
Oh, no.
This one is, I guess, this is this new class that she's taking to today in their field.
Okay.
So they have a Vietnamese restaurant there. They call it the Pho.
Yeah, okay. I'm medium.
Yeah, Pho. Yeah. Alright.
Alright, we're gonna be trying fried pickle. Let me take a pic. Take a plate. Take a plate. It's a one try and that's it. Not a second. Not a second. It's not a second try. It's okay for one try.
Yeah, sweet. Yeah.
Y'all killing me, I swear.
I fake
Onion.
onion.
Yeah, onion. It's squid. Squid.
With dry up. Yeah, one big commercial. Watch it by here. Very good.
Okay, now.
They don't want to catch him. They don't want to catch him.
Hold on, baby. See. Boop.
Get cool.
This is ridiculous. Who got an extra gloves, dude? Oh.
She need that next glove.
Here, baby, here. Oh, y'all didn't put on y'all bibs. Oh my goodness. They said bibs. Here, they said bib. Sissy, here's a bib. They hide a bib. Oh my God. Look in the... Oh my God, not them. We got our bib. Michaela, is there any more bib in the bucket?
I have one.
There's one more if you want. Oh, there's one more here too. Michaela, here.
No, I have one.
You want one? Kev? Kev not feel the bib to protect your clothes. Next glove. Huh? Let me put this in the middle. I know.
Take picture of the big them now.
Huh? The bib is
No more gloves, not delay. Come on, Lisa, no more gloves.
You know, just have 2 gloves. I'm gonna see no more gloves in here, son. And they have stuff to crack your thingy.
Use one.
So you don't have to use your teeth. Oh, Lord. You know, say I only got one gloves medium. It is what it is. I think I only need one hand anyway.
Get an extra.
What, you're supposed to get an extra one?
Yeah.
So why am I telling her I want crab shrimp with head out to give me headless? I want to beat up the woman, you know. I told her I want shrimp with head. I like head shrimp. Well, I'm sorry, so I'm shrimp that with the head. I'm shrimp that with my head. Alright, y'all. Good night. I'm here picking up my stepdaughter. We don't know where the hell we're going, but we're gonna go walking Miami Strip because she can come in from out of town. I always want to go down there to go walk my damn self too, but let's see. And there was so many people on the road because it's Hanukkah, blocking off the road and all of that, celebrating their holiday. Oh, she said come in. Does she mean I should come in or she is coming? Alright, we'll see. But this is my outfit that I have on. Oh my God. Is this outfit, it looks like you, These faux leather type of outfit, you gotta wear it. If you buy it, you gotta make sure you wear it constantly. So to get your money out, cause look at this thing, it's ruined. Or it's just stretching out. But it's damn cracking up. Look at this girl posted, and I was calling her for whatever. I swear, when you watch these little Miami vlogs, they don't tell y'all the truth. You gotta be driving around town just to get a spot. And we don't even know where the hell we are. Why we're going? God. Alright, y'all, we find a nice mirror outfit check. Oh no. Alright, so let's see what we could find. This will make too much noise. I can't do this. Let me put this damn key.
Oh, baby, I'm living for this mirror. What's going on?
Yeah, the mirror looked nice. I forgot I did find $20 when I went to the restaurant, yeah. So my parking fee is covered. No celebration, look nice. With the mirror.
Let me take your pictures. This is cute. I like this.
The mirror is nice. And then I charge you by the hour. Money gone up with the mirror. Them know what them do.
They're like, yes.
Yes. Alright, y'all, we find a restroom spot. Miami Beach is not Miami anymore. Alright, y'all, we are. They catch us here. We'll show y'all my food. You know, see on a plan, you look like fly fried It's giving fried dumplings. At least their rice tastes good. Right, it blocked the energy.
I don't know what it is.
The
I'm not trying
Holly.
to figure it out.
The Holloway, oh my god. Shit. Need to hurry up. It's not the sign said a place named the Holloway. Jesus. What is this though? We'll have stop and the wind that today may all do. Is this a poem on here? This? Yeah, we need to get out the Holloway and go home. Oh, it's Betsy Poetry Rail. Some lady poem right on the wall. Uh-oh. Shit. Please. Veteran.
Same thing.
Here go the scam, y'all. You see the $20 big? Big and clear. Look when you go close. Look at this shit. Up to 5 hours at $20.
Is it right here?
Yeah. That's where the scam come in. I always see. What the hell? They locked the door? It's not that door. Oh, it's here. Oh my God. Pull. Oh, you see, if we did bring the card, we paid the money here, but the card is in the car. I hope it doesn't say nothing but us. Mirror. Okay, I don't think I look too bad. I look like I have my grown lady body now. This pants is so nice. $20.
My foot's so small and so cute.
Yeah. You need the more chunkier socks. If you like those ones.
I only have like 3 pairs.
If we did have the card, oh shit. Cash on, oh, I got with $20. Let's hurry up, go get the damn car. $20. In a second. Not this thing recording the workout.
How many steps you do? Better be a lot.
Take this off. I think my watch set at 15 on this side. This thing made it look like we lost.
No, you're ready.
I need to get that new car that could come to me right now, please.
Baby.
Did they invent that yet or not yet? No?
I don't think so.
Not yet. Yeah, they still invent those type of car. Yeah, look who's not sleeping. Did you sleep and wake up, baby?
Yes.
Okay. My exercise machine, y'all. I got this from TikTok shop. The waist training machine. It's not my clothing. Oh, I reach home now so it can do what it wanna do. That shit pop. And then all of these start fading away.
And you want you.
My shadow in here. I guess it do it time. It's time to throw it away in the garbage.
You can't. You can't throw your shadow away.
Hold on, let me show you.
Oh, my one's a cat. I want some of that water. It's cold.
Oh, super cold.
Okay.
Go on in, go.
Add that to me.
Good morning, y'all. Workout complete. I did 8 mile cycling, and I did 8 mile yesterday. Okay, I gotta push myself with my workout, but I'm here gonna have some grapefruit. Y'all can't see. Let me show you this. See the grapefruit? This shit is so sour. So what I do, I put some salt on them. I put some salt on it. I don't know. The salt do something. I guess it neutralized the sour / bitter taste. Not a lot to say, oh, it's salty. Just a little bit to neutralize it, and it tastes perfect. Does that mean that if y'all ever do that? Y'all ever do this before? It's sour, bitter, salty, but it's good. How to say? I don't even think it tastes kind of salty. It just good. It just neutralizes it a little bit. Y'all,
the air fryer don't work. Do y'all keep your air fryer plugged in at all time, or you only plug it in when you need it? Like you know, you type of electric stuff and a toaster or something like that. Do you plug it in when you need it, or you keep it plugged in? Let me know. Let me know. Because I've been keeping mine plugged in since this one knocked out. My mom plugged out everything, but I'm gonna bring that shit back. Sissy, why you throwing your toy here? I gotta throw away these. These are recycled.
Yeah.
Oh, Sissy, your little diamond here.
Diamond? A diamond?
Mm-hmm. It's around there.
In Mama will?
Right there, baby. See that?
Oh.
I gotta make a banana bread.
And that's what?
Huh?
I was buying 2 more furries on Shein. So they can have a party. So they can have a party.
Alright, y'all. I'm cook up a feast. I make dumpling and sweet potato.
No more shrimp for
with regular
me.
potato.
No
I
more
make
shrimp
ackee
for
and
me.
red onion. And then I cook up some okra and saltfish. Because everybody
Mommy,
eat
no
different in this house.
shrimp for me.
No shrimp for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm finishing it up. And Cece likes shrimp, so I'm here making some curry shrimp. And the last thing I'm gonna do is go make some banana bread, and I think that's it.
Something. I want one. Give me. No, I love chocolate. You can't give chocolate to your pets. Because they're too free and they will die. You are washing the dish. And you are pretending. You see? It looks like you're washing the dish. Oh, you is.
Don't mess with myself. Don't do that, baby.
You're doing a magic trick?
Hmm?
You're doing a magic trick?
Not really.
It looks like you're doing a magic trick.
We're just greasing it, kind of. Oh, Cece, cover it now, please. Oh my God.
Sorry. Mommy. I buy money. You reuse money on Shein. You get money, you reuse it, and give it to someone else. Yep, me. And guess what? I buy something.
Saying I come here, he must say what for eat. Me say you not care where you eat. Come in heaven.
He not come?
He say nah, but I come. Come
What
on.
the hell I make me there, so I wait for a waste. If you never go in there, I'm done. These kids are, oh, can't make their mind up.
Put on your
That's all he should have said. He's not coming. All he said 1 minute. I have we out here wait. So if you never did go in there, would I just sit there and wait?
Eat. Me say you can't care where you eat in a van. He not bother come. It look like I'm and his brother they on the phone. You know can't care where you eat.
We are here, y'all. We're going to the beach. The last year. No, the last time in 2024. Alright, let me
I go and go sit me can get a little 1 hour now.
my mom not coming with us, so it's me and the kiddos.
You got to go with the little project, I'm bringing to go safe.
Crazy. Alright, so the sun is coming out. That's kind of good. Do y'all want to go to the splash first or the beach?
No!
The beach first? The beach. We could do 45 minutes on the beach, 45 minutes, so that's gonna pass my damn hour. 35, then the next couple minutes we could go. Alright, y'all, if y'all don't have a phone nowadays, you can't go nowhere no more. Guys, a phone do everything. I'd have to use my phone to pay for the parking. It was $8. Wasn't bad. I was calculating it wrong. I thought it would be $6. But okay. There's a lot of people out here. Oh, Star, give you a joke. I just said I should buy the wagon. I see a girl roll up with her wagon. You heard me? What? Someone flying in your eye?
Yeah, it's windy, so if you run right here, it goes right in our face.
Oh, be careful, guys. My little snap bag, y'all. Look at it. At the bottom, you got a bunch of goodies in there. Here, Jimmer. Oh, go wash your hand then. Do y'all ever try this coffee flavor peanuts? Let's see what it tastes like. Not bad. Taste it, Jimmer. This is where I want to be at. Subway. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Let's go. Really? I could have sworn they do. So where I get Swiss at? Probably Publix then. Isn't that the cheese with the hole in it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I could have sworn I get it from here. It's not these two kids talking about they're allergic to me. But yes, I don't have that money. But I don't have Domino's money, but I'm gonna go. Oh my God, this probably. I'm gonna go buy Little Caesars. We're not doing no Domino's. We don't have Domino's money. Let's go. Oh my God. Jesus. It's gonna be forever.
Domino's.
Oh my God.
I knew this.
Excuse me.
I knew this won't happen.
Y'all, we end up at Domino's because Little Caesar is playing with our emotion. And look at this shit. I need gas. Need gas.
No pets.
Them watching getting their pizza made.
It's a big white tail.
These people them soon kick me out their restaurant. Eating in Subway.
You can't get close.
Come, Cece. Come on.
The pizza. It's not hot.
Maybe y'all should get a knife and fork to cut it.
I know.
It will cool better.
I know. It's almost turning me to a turkey.
Let it cool.
This one burned me.
Let it cool.
Bad pizza. Is this pizza bad?
It's not bad. Let it cool, baby.
Why?
But let's show y'all the outfits from the beach chill. Y'all can't even see shit really. But yeah, we're in the era of repeating our clothing. There we go. And the ear style stand up. I'm gonna go rinse it out a little bit. Get some of these salt water out. I should be saying Merry Christmas. Happy New Year to y'all. There's gonna be New Year in a second. And when y'all see this, gonna be New Year, New Year.
I cannot fuck with you, baby. You